How to locate employer ID number in H&R Block. Let's get started. Locate box B on your W-2 form. The EIN is a 9-digit number in the format. This number identifies your employer for tax purposes. If you have entered your W-2 into H&R Block, you can find the EIN within your tax return. Log into H&R Block online account. Navigate to Wages and Income section. Click on Edit or Add next to your W-2. The EIN will be listed in the Employer Information section. If you don't have W-2 or need to verify the EIN, contact your employer's HR or payroll department. Request the EIN or a copy of your W-2. If your employer hasn't changed, you can find the EIN on last year's W-2 or tax return. Open a copy of your previous tax return. Look for the W-2 section or box B from last year's W-2. If you cannot locate your EIN and your employer cannot provide it, call the IRS Business and Specialty Tax Line at 800-829-4933. Provide details about your employer, such as the name, address, and your employment dates. By following these steps, you can locate and verify your employer identification number (EIN) in H&R Block to ensure accurate tax filing. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.